Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. If you are planning to buy a laptop for video editing with outstanding performance, color accuracy and excellent build quality, then this video is just for you. Today we'll take a look at the best laptop for video editing in the market right now. But purchasing such devices for your needs will prove to be no less than a challenging task. When it comes to buying the right product, then there's a lot to look out for. That's why today, we've picked and reviewed the 3 best models for you. These devices are well suited for different levels of video editing. We've spent many hours researching these products. We've ranked them based on their price, quality, durability, and performance. To make it easier, we will include timestamps in the description down below. You can also see the prices and other information about laptops by using the links in the description. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinalaptops.com. Let's get started. Acer Predator Helios 300. This great laptop comes with an attractive design, plenty of performance, and a fantastic display with high refresh rates. It's the most attractive package in the budget laptop category. You'll see the Predator logo and some interesting bright blue highlights on the back, which were red on its predecessor. It is a gaming laptop, but when it comes to video editing, it doesn't disappoint. Design. The device's chassis comes with a brushed aluminum finish which makes the device look smart. The build quality is perfect, and it's pretty intense, and there's no flex or any unintended gaps in the body. It measures 0.9 inches thick and weighs around 5.1 pounds in total. Display. It is packed to the perfect 15.6 inches LED backlit and plain switching panel. This panel comes with an incredible refresh rate of 144 Hz. It provides a good brightness of about 350 nits. It offers 93% of the sRGB color space with plenty of accuracies, offering a great viewing experience. Performance. It is packed with Intel Core i7-9750H CPU, 16GB of RAM, and 256GB SSD for storage. These specs make it a competent tool for both productivity and gaming. It comes with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660Ti graphics unit with 6GB of dedicated VRAM. So you can run all of the recent AAA titles with plenty of frame rates and 1080p with high quality. Conclusion. If you want to get one of the best video editing laptops in the market, the Acer Predator Helios 300 is your best bet. 2. Asus Rog Zephyrus G14. If you want to get the most bang for your hard-earned bucks, we recommend the excellent Asus Rog Zephyrus G14. It provides you with a great portable design, solid display, superb performance specs, and magnificent battery life. It is one of the most impressive laptops that can do an incredible video editing job. Design. It is one of the sleekest and smallest gaming laptops I have ever seen. It's very slim and light in weight, managing to pack everything that fits in a 14-inch chassis. It measures just 0.7 inches and weighs about 3.5 pounds in total. The moonlight white color scheme is just grand. The lightweight bodies owe you to the fantastic magnesium aluminum used for its construction, perfect overall. Display. It comes with a 14-inch panel with full HD resolution and a 120Hz native refresh rate. The panel works excellent for tear-free gaming even though the machine rocks an NVIDIA graphics unit. The panel presents 120% of the sRGB color space, which is pretty bright at 330 nits. It means that the visuals displayed in this panel are excellent overall without any compromise. Performance. It's packed with a 3rd generation AMD Ryzen 9 processor, 16GB of RAM and 1TB of high-speed SSD. It's also armed with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Max GPU with 6GB. The specs that'll impress everyone out there. Conclusion. If you want one of the best video editing laptops in the market, you should check out this one. 1. Dell XPS 15. Finally, we have reached the gold medalist for video editing, and the winner is the Dell XPS 15. The latest generation impresses at first sight with its minimalist design, colossal touchpad, and 4K screen. Design. The outer parts of the case are made of thicker sandblasted and advanced aluminum, while the sides are smooth and double agonized for a higher level of wear protection. Display. The screen offers additional space and height important to photographers, developers, and video editors. The screen shows a peak brightness of 540 nits with a contrast ratio of 1500 to 1. The sRGB color palette is completely covered. Performance. The computer's interior is exceptionally well organized. The DIMM slots are filled with 16GB Type DDR4 memory. The maximum supported memory capacity is 64GB. This is a laptop with a 4K screen and a 45-watt high-performance processor. Connectivity. It comes with an HDMI 2.0 output and a USB 3.2 port. Dell did not bother with older types of USB ports on this laptop. So on the left side, we have two Thunderbolts 3. On the right, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, SD card reader, and TRRS headphone connector. Battery. An impressive 86 watt-hour battery occupies the lower third of the laptop's interior. This battery provides working in office applications for over 9 hours. Speakers. The speakers are located on the lower part of the laptop, but another pair of speakers is also added to the upper part of the laptop base. Conclusion. When dealing with multimedia, this fellow is outstanding to the listed price. Final verdict. Recommended best laptop for video editing is Dell XPS 15. Other laptops on this list are also great. You can select and buy one from the Amazon link given in the description. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to get the latest update from our channel. Because in this channel you get helpful laptop reviews. Plus, the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinalaptops.com. Which is your top pick from today's video, Asus Rog Zephyrus G14 or Dell XPS 15? Please let me know about your top pick in the comment section. Have a great one and I will see you next time.